Hi folks, this is Patrick from Classic Bike Meters, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can easily replace a dented ring on the CB900F tachometer. The ring that's on there is the same for the CB1100F and R and the CB1000. And for the purpose of this video I've already opened the instrument so I can easily take off the ring. And this is the lower seal that's off there now. Now I can pop out the glass from the ring. The ring we're going to discard, we're going to put a new one on there, and as you can see the glass is also fairly damaged, so I'm going to replace that also. In order to do so I have to take off the bezel that's on the back, and since this has been in the instrument for over 40 years and it's been compressed by the ring, it's going to be a little bit sticky. And this also counts for the glass. I have to break the seal from the glass. In order to do so I use my thumbnail and I run it along the edge, also making sure that I'm not going to damage the seal. So you gently work your way around there, and also from the back side you do the same thing. You run your nail across the back side to get it from the glass. Just take your time, do so. There's no rush, just take care that it's come off and doesn't damage. Alright, yeah, it's loose. We can take it off now. And as you can see this glass is quite damaged, so I'm going to replace it. But first I have to clean the seal. And I do so by using a cloth and some WD-40. I spray a little bit on there and I run it along the seal, and in that way I can polish off all the grime that's on there. And an extra advantage from WD-40 is that it makes the rubber a little bit more flexible, so it's a good thing to do. And yeah, just make sure that all the grime is off there. And in this case someone had resprayed the bezel just to cover up the damage, I guess, but yeah, some was left on the rubber, so I run my nail across it to get that off. And now we've got a clean seal, and I've got a brand new glass that I've made specially for the CB1000 series and the CB900F and the CB1100F and R, and we're going to place that back in the seal. It's a perfect replacement, has the same size and the same finish as the original, so yeah, very nice piece. And now, yeah, the rubber is on. Alright, and now we can put the ring back on, and this is my new, specially made for the CB1000 series and the CB1100F and R and the CB900F crimping ring. And what do you guys think? This is a real nice piece. And it's definitely the best out there, I can guarantee you. And now we put back this bezel on the back side and make sure the rubber is on there, the lower rubber that I also sell in my online shop. And now we can put it back together again. And what do you guys think? Doesn't this look great? Yeah, it's a real transformation. Now we just have to crimp it back on, and we're all set. And this is the end result. What do you guys think? So this concludes my tutorial on how to replace the rings. Thank you for watching.